Okay, right, just for you, we're going to do ABBA's greatest hit. It sold 14 million copies in 3 days, and it goes something like this. ABBA's greatest hit. Go. I belong to Glasgow, dear old Glasgow town. There's something the matter with Glasgow, boy, it's going round and round. I'm only a common old working chap, as anyone here can see. When I get a couple of drinks on a Saturday, Glasgow belongs to me. Let's hear you sing. It's you take the high road and I'll take the low road, and I'll leave Scotland before ye. For me and my true love will never meet again on the bonny, bonny banks all of yonder. Let northern lights of all our be home, sweet home to me. Northern lights of Aberdeen are on my line to see. I've been a wanderer all my life, and many's a sight I've seen. Must be the day when I'm on my way to my home in Aberdeen. Okay, folks, this wee Scots song has been known to make Scots people stand up with their fist in the air and buy drink to themselves. Oh, flower of Scotland, when will we see your likes again? That fought and died for your wee bit hill and glen, and stood against him. But Edward's army, and sent them homewards to think again. The hills are bare now, and autumn leaves lie thinking still. For London is lost now, which those so dearly held has stood against him. Proud Edward's army, and sent them homewards, they think again. Those days are past now, and in the past they must remain. But we shall still rise now to be a nation again that stood against him. Proud Edward's army, and sent them homewards to think again. Oh, flower of Scotland, when will we see your likes again? That fought and died for your wee bit hill and glen.